Hi, my name's Jim. I'm going to show how I start my seeds. Now, the tiniest ones, yeah, you can good luck with those, right? It's like you put a few in a certain place and another few in a certain place, and then you have spots where you don't have anything coming up. I mean, maybe something comes up over here, nothing over there. Got to start over. So what I do is I take my seeds and I germinate them first. So here I've got these are green beans. So I just put those in tonight. So tomorrow I'll drain them. So I'll drain them tomorrow, probably mid-noon, because that's about when I put them in. So 24 hours. And then I'll put warm water, because each one of these had about 110 temperature water when I put it in. I put the water in there just to get them, film that. Oh, it's summertime, right? Shock them into coming to life, right? The DNA in there, and ignite the enzymes and all that. So tomorrow what I'll do is because I got a screen on all these, I'll drain that and then put more warm water, 110, and then I'll drain that water out. And then I'll turn this jar upside down, let it drip into some other container, dry, and then I'll move the seeds around, then put it back in, right? So let the water, put all the water out, turn the seeds around, then put it down and let it continue to drain out, because you don't want water to stay in there, because that can cause mildew, which is the whole purpose of the screen. Turn it upside down, you don't get that. That's also I have here. I've got burgundy green beans, zucchini, sweet peas, snow peas, and cucumber. So the smaller seeds, I just sprinkle them and hope for the best. Another thing that I do, like I did today, I took a plastic cup, have a hole in the bottom, and I put some dirt in it, saturated the soil, put my sweet basil seeds on top, and then some other, about, I don't know, half an inch of soil on top of the basil seeds, because they're so tiny, you can barely see them, like a no-see-em. And then I water that, and then I bury the cup on level with the surface of the ground, so it gets that heat from the ground, so it doesn't get exposed to that overnight 30-something, or whatever the coldest it might get, so it'll stay warm and germinate. And then when they get done germinating inside the cup, and they get to a certain height, then I can divide them up, the sweet basil, and put them wherever I want, pots or whatever. Yeah, and here's how it all kind of works out. So here's radish micro sprouts. A lot of them's gone because I had them with yeah, they was in my dinner tonight, and so it's just a good way to get your seeds, give them a good quick boost, so that one, that the odds are high wherever you put that particular seed in that particular area, because it's already got the root coming out, right? It's already got its and you can just put it in wherever you want, and the odds are really high. I think I had like a 90, 98, 99% seeds last year coming up from doing it that way. And there you go. Piece of cake, right? All right. Yeah, I just came back from powder sugaring my honeybees, because try to keep the varroa mites down this time of year. And so I do a nighttime powder sugar shake. So more bees are in there. In fact, I locked them all in. I got them all in, and then sealed the front door. And then I have a screen on the top, and then I just powdered sugar through the screen. And I took the front door off a few moments ago. These white bees come running out the front, going, "What happened?" This is funny. They just weren't twisting their body back and forth. Who did that? It's kind of funny. Are they thinking that? Who knows, right? All right. Please subscribe, thumbs up, ring the bell, leave a comment, click a like, and you have a good day. Bye now.